Welcome to this electrical engineering masterclass on common fault finding. We will be tracking down earth faults and interturn shorts in electrical machines and transformers. Module 1 focuses on earth fault diagnostics. This involves identifying and localizing leakage paths between conductive parts and the machine frame. An earth fault is an unintended connection between an active conductor and the grounding system. Primary failure modes include insulation degradation, mechanical damage, and contamination. Core detection methodologies include insulation resistance using a Megger, polarization index to assess moisture, and bridge localization, which uses Murray or Varley loop tests to find the exact fault distance. Insulation performance degrades over time. Arrhenius Law suggests that insulation life is halved for every 10 degrees Celsius increase in operating temperature, potentially leading to critical failure. Module 2 covers interturn short circuits. These are failures within the winding itself, where individual loops bypass each other. Turn-to-turn failures occur when the thin enamel insulation between adjacent turns fails. Consequences include high circulating currents, extreme localized heating, and magnetic imbalance. Standard resistance tests often fail to detect these faults. Diagnostic sensitivity varies greatly. DC resistance testing has low detection rates, while high-frequency surge testing achieves up to 95% detection for turn failures. The Diagnostic Matrix shows that a Megger is excellent for earth faults, but poor for interturn shorts. Surge tests and magnetic balance tests are essential for interturn fault detection. A systematic procedure involves visual inspection, safety isolation using LODO, an initial insulation resistance test, and dynamic testing with surge and high-potential methods for turn-to-turn checks. Modern diagnostic tools include advanced megometers, capable of DAR and PI ratios, and thermal imagers, essential for identifying hotspots caused by high circulating currents in shorted turns.